viewers, welcome to a new video on AI World for You. In this video, I will explain about Minimax algorithm with the help of an example. So consider this game tree given here. Here there are two players, Min and Max. So this Max will always start the game. So we can say that at A level, it is the maximizer's turn, and B and C is the minimizer's turn, and again it is the maximizer's turn, and finally here we have the terminal nodes. So here the algorithm is going to terminate. Initially, as the name suggests, maximizer will try to increase the value and look for the maximum value. So in the entire number series, what is the maximum value? It is plus infinity. But while starting, the maximizer player will start with minus infinity, and he will try to go further towards the positive side. Whereas the min player's main goal is to minimize. Therefore, he will start from plus infinity and he will try to go towards minus infinity. So, the maximizer, for the maximizer, the initial value is minus infinity, and for the minimizer, the initial value will be plus infinity. So, in this particular tree, the first player is the maximizer. So, he needs to look for which is the maximum value. So, he will go to node D, and there if you see, it is the turn of the maximizer. So, at node D, we will see which is the maximum value out of the two available successors. Here -1 is there and 4 is there. 4 is the maximum value. So simply D will be updated as 4. Same way for E, there are two successors J and K, and it is the maximizer's turn. So the maximum value is 6 and E node will be updated with the value 6. And coming to F, there are two successors L and M. So here it is the maximizer's turn, and -5 and -3. -3 is the maximum value. Therefore, the node F will be updated with the value -3. And coming to G, here also it has two successors N and O. The maximum value is 7. So, the node G will be updated with the value 7. So, you can see that the values are updated here. And now we need to traverse to the next step. And here the level is, it is the minimizer, which means the minimum values will get updated. So out of 4 and 6, which is the minimum value? 4. So the node B will take the value 4. Same way, out of -3 and 7, which is the minimum value? -3. So the node C gets updated with the value -3. So these are the updated values, and now next level is node A, which is the maximizer's turn, which means the maximum value of 4 and -3 is 4, and that 4 will get updated at node A. So this is how the Minimax algorithm will work. It will simply look for the minimum values and the maximum values and keep updating the nodes by backtracking until the parent node. Coming to the properties of Minimax algorithm, we can say that it is complete for finite games, and that is only if the game tree is finite. And coming to the optimality, we can say that it will be optimal if both the players play optimally. And the time complexity is order of B power m, and the space complexity is order of B into n. Coming to the advantages, we can use game playing in the advancement of AI. So this Minimax algorithm is one of the key strategies of game playing, and we can use it in the field of education and training. We can use it for research as well as real world applications. So I hope you understood the concept of Minimax algorithm. Whatever queries you have, please post them in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Do share the video with your friends if you feel it is useful. Thank you for watching.